Great innovations start with a shared vision. Together, MKS, the Malaysian Investment Development Authority, and Invest Penang are proud to announce the grand opening of the new MKS SuperCenter factory in Penang, Malaysia. This milestone marks an important step in Malaysia's ambition to become a leading hub for advanced manufacturing and semiconductor innovation, supporting the objectives of the new Industrial Master Plan 2030. The facility features 100,000 square feet of production space, a 12,000 square foot clean room, and specialized, highly accelerated stress screening facilities. And with amenities including a canteen, mother's room, prayer spaces, and courts for soccer, basketball, and pickleball, the SuperCenter is designed to be a workplace where employees can thrive. It's all in support of one goal: to establish a hub for semiconductor manufacturing and innovation. A hub where MKS helps fulfill the global demand for wafer fabrication solutions, where a highly skilled talent pool and robust infrastructure combine to strengthen Malaysia's position in the global semiconductor industry. Where MKS, Invest Penang, and the governments of Malaysia and Penang State work together to create lasting economic and technological impact. Today, we celebrate more than a new facility. We celebrate a shared vision, a growing innovation economy, and a future built through partnership.